Hey YouTube, I solved my problem. You don't have to touch these connections. And the one right here, you don't have to. My man Chris Green at USP Motorsports, if you go YouTube, he'll show you how to handle these connections. He is the connection harness specialist, if you can call it that. And he demonstrate how to remove these connectors. Hold on, let me place the camera. Basically, once you get all this loose, the whole 3 row, pretty much squeeze it, push this back, and once you get it off this right here, you push it together like you're connecting it, and then you pull this up and you should be able to pull back off of it. See, just removed it. These are the spark plugs. They about to get replaced. So, carefully remove your screws. Pry up your coils, all 3 at the same time. And when you disconnect your connectors, press in as if you're connecting. Press the tab back. Press the tab back. And then pull off the coil. It will come up. Thank you.